That is the power of our mutation. Of course, we're not mutant, but I'm giving you an example. It's kind of like Professor X power, where we are able to cross multiple diseases in your eyes. Such a powerful, powerful platform. And in my video coming up, I'll break down the data so that way we can understand it. I'm not going to use scientific term. I'll use terms that you and I can share with anybody, and they'll be like, oh, wow, I can understand science. Because if you simplify terms, it's going to be really fun for everybody. And I will do that on my next video. But before we get there, again, thank you so much for all my wonderful supporter. Your comment, like, share, it really means a lot. It helped the community grow. And to a couple of my villagers too for sending me coffee money. It's a blessing. I never picture I'm getting donation for coffee because I love coffee. I'm drinking it right now. But yeah, it's pretty cool. I One of my buddy was making content and he said, why don't you just add buy me a coffee, and then this can be random people, everyone could buy you a coffee. I never expected anything, but I got like 10 cups of coffee, which is pretty awesome. But thank you so much because you guys are keeping the light on, to be honest, with any donations you want to give or a simple comment, like, and share. It's a blessing. I want to remind my villagers something because we're forgetting something. I put the visual right here so you guys can see it, but the regulatory momentum, when I say that, of course you're going to assume it's FDA. So Ocugen gene therapy programs are getting recognition from regulators. Who are these regulators? Well, Uncle Bobby, Dr. Marty Makari, and the AKA one and only FDA. The FDA has already granted designations like orphan drug and the rare pediatric disease. All these you can find on their website. That's not only de-risking the path of approval, but also open doors for, say it with me, PRV, priority review vouchers worth millions. I mentioned this in my previous video. If you haven't watched it yet, go ahead and watch that and let me know in the comment section what you think. For patients, it means the FDA sees the urgency. Hope is on the way. Help is on the way. So don't lose hope to anyone that is listening to this video because we have something that could seriously change the world for the better. So don't lose hope because I promise you, help is on the way. But what does it mean for investors, you and I? It's another layer of validation. Stop second guessing yourself and trust the science. Trust Dr. Dina. Trust our CEO, Shankar. That dude is awesome. I mentioned him in another video where I titled The Journey at what he say about shareholders. But this one are the three things I was mentioning because we're forgetting that the PRV vouchers is such a powerful, I don't know, $100 million piece of paper that could really help catapult oxygen for a very long time without having to worry about delusion and what other naysayer bear crap that the bear may come out with on